So here we have a 2010 Honda Odyssey. The issue with this vehicle is under light acceleration, especially from second to third gear when it changes, and you're just cruising along, the car will shudder, and it will shudder like you're on speed breakers or the wheel is running out, like that sort of a shudder, and the whole car will vibrate a little bit. And problem is there's a rip in the intake pipe. Check this out before you do any transmission work. Just come to your intake pipe here and pull and push on it and make sure there's no rips. As you can see on this one, there's a big rip here. So the whole thing is ripped. So every time you go over a bumpy road and you're just cruising along, the whole engine moves back and forth, and this opens and closes just like this, throwing the air fuel ratio mixture off because there's a sensor over here, airflow sensor, and it's getting confused. So another way you can check this is hold it at 2000 rpm in park. Get someone to do that and pull and push on this, and you'll see the revs drop and increase, drop and increase. But yeah, before you go ahead and do any transmission work, if you find you have a shudder in your Honda, check this intake pipe, make sure there's no rips, and if there is a rip, you should get it replaced anyway. And if that fixes your problem, well and good. If not, then you'll have to go ahead and check out the transmission and see if there's something wrong there. But yeah, I hope this helps someone. So this is a K24 VTEC. So yeah, we just got a brand new replacement pipe, and that should fix the problem. Apparently it's a common fault on the Hondas. This one has done 130,000 kilometers. And yeah, do watch our other video with the GoPro stuck in there, and you can see the whole pipe move back and forth.
I don't know if I'll be able to show you this on video, but we'll try our best. So what we have got here set up now, there's a GoPro recording the air intake pipe, which I suspect is the main problem because it is ripped. So this problem can really be felt only on very light or partial load. So when the throttle is probably opened 10 to about 20%, that would explain when the problem arises, because this pipe here is split. So on light loads, what's happening is there's air bypassing the mass airflow sensor, and it's going straight into the intake, which is therefore confusing the computer and throwing out the air fuel ratios. So we'll try and show that on video, hopefully. So now it's first gear, second gear, third gear. It's only very minute.
Shaking quite badly now.
Go back, go back.
So all you have to do is just pull this pipe and then
Look for cracks, like obviously, you know,